Hello, in front of me I have a Huawei Watch GT Runner, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the Huawei Health application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue. Now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the notifications to work. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, you should see this page, the main page of settings. Now scroll down to the bottom, and at the bottom you should see the list of applications. Now on this list, find the Huawei Health application and tap on it. And here make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled for the application, and also tap on the notifications, and here make sure that the allow notification is enabled, or notifications rather. Once both options are enabled, you can go back to settings, scroll all the way up, tap on Bluetooth option. Here find your Huawei Watch GT Runner on the list. For some reason on my iPhone it's doubled, so I'm just gonna tap on this one, or not this one. Find the Huawei Watch GT Runner, and next to it you should see the info icon. Tap on it, and here make sure, so this is not the one, I believe, maybe the second one. Yeah, this one. Basically you should see this option, share system notifications. Make sure that this option is enabled. Okay, and once it's enabled, you can close the settings. Now we can open the Huawei Health application on our iPhone. In the app we can tap on devices. Here select our Huawei Watch GT Runner from the list, this one. On this page, scroll down, find the option called notifications and tap on it. And here you can enable and disable the notifications by tapping on the switch. And also you can enable and disable the notifications for certain apps and features like messages, Twitter, Gmail, and other. So if you want to get the notifications from different apps than these three, you need to enable the other option. And if you want to receive only from them, you can disable it. Or if you want to receive the notifications only from messages, for example, you can disable all of them or enable all of them. Okay, once you're done customizing your notification settings, we can close the app, and now you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. So let's send the message. And I got my message on my phone, and also we should get it on our watch. So let's swipe upwards on the screen after we wake it up. And here we have it. For some reason it doesn't, I know why it doesn't display when we receive the notification. Basically, if you want to get the notification on the screen while you're not wearing the watch, you need to disable one option. So if you're wearing the watch detects that you're wearing it, you will get the notifications on the screen. But there is an option that basically if you're not wearing the watch, it's not gonna display on the screen. So we need to open the settings. So let's wake up the screen on our watch, press on the home button to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon. In settings, let's find the accessibility and then tap on it. And here we have the notifications, only show notifications when worn. So basically, if the watch detects that you're not wearing the watch, it won't display the notifications on the screen. You will need to open the, wake up the screen and open the notification menu to check them. But if you disable this option, and now when we receive the notification, it should appear on the screen like this. Okay. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.